What's up, guys, and welcome back to Athena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the interior lights on the Tundra. Let's get right into it. So these are the lights we have now. They are the older halogen style bulbs, and we're going to be upgrading to the new Lasfit LEDs. The installation is fairly simple, and all you'll need is some form of plastic pry tool, and I'll have this link down below. Now that you have your pry tool, go ahead and wait for the lights to shut off after you close your doors so they're not hot. Take your pry tool and slip it in between the plastic and the trim of the truck, and it should pop out. Now this top piece here kind of slips down at an angle, and that's literally as simple as that. Now just take one of your Lasfit LED bulbs, here they are. Get a good look at them. They look pretty nice. And you should just be able to grab the 194 bulb, pull it out, and pop in this Lasfit. Now I'm not sure if they are orientation-wise, if they matter. So take your thing. Wow, look at the difference there. That is insanely brighter. This should light up the truck a lot better. It's the same scenario for the back dome light. Take your plastic pry bar, make sure the light is off, slip it between the plastic housing and the trim, and kind of pop it out. It should slide out, and you can see this piece comes right out. Now just take your two bulbs, pull directly out, and install your new Lasfit LEDs. Now make sure they work. Way brighter. Now we can take our little housing here and clip it in. Once this reflective piece is back on, go ahead and take your plastic housing, slide it in, and just pop it back in. Make sure the light still works. All right, that's the back done. These are the lights before. Now this video is going to make it look a little bit brighter than it actually is, but these are what they look like. Just the regular halogen map and dome light bulbs. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. So just to reiterate some things, the Lasfit LEDs come with a 1-year warranty, a 45-day hassle-free money-back guarantee, and they offer 400 lumens per 3030 SMD light, which, I mean, I think is pretty bright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. You learned how to install these. It's a pretty simple, pretty quick job, and it really brightens up the interior of the truck. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Use code Athena at checkout on lasfit.com for 15% off. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. That's it. Have a good one. Bye.